Okay, today, fourth graders, we're going to talk about subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So remember when I've told you before about apples and oranges, how when we're talking about fractions, we need to be talking about comparing apples to apples and oranges to oranges? Well, this applies when we are talking about subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. For example, when we have 3/4 subtract 1/3, that is not easy to subtract unless we change it into apples to apples and oranges to oranges. So we're going to change this fraction into twelfths because 4 and 3 both share the factor of 12, or both factors of 12. So let's use the identity property and change 3/4 to twelfths right underneath it. So I'm going to use the identity property and multiply 3/4 times 3/3. And when I do that, I'm going to do 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, and I get 9/12. Okay, so I'm going to write 9/12. Write it 9/12 up there. For 3/4 because that's an equivalent fraction. Now I need to change 1/3 into twelfths. So I'm going to do that by the identity property. 1/3 times 4/4. And I multiply across. 1 times 4 is 4 for my numerator. 3 times 4 is 12 for my denominator. So now I can subtract 9/12, subtract 4/12. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then of course my denominator stays the same. So 9/12 minus 4/12 equals 5/12. That's how you subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Thank you.